Today I want to talk about the addiction to the thought during my meditation process, and this is a significant experience and observation I had today, and I want to share with you guys. So, so recently I had psychedelic experience, and my vision or my understanding about body, mind, and universe have been more clear. So I can have a clear thinking about what's happening, and it has really helped me. And today, while I was meditating, I could understand that, like, you understand, like, you need to let go your thoughts and you need to be in the present moment and you need to meditate. Like, every meditator knows that. The information I want to give is that like sometimes a song pops up in your mind, sometimes uh, a conversation pops up in your mind, sometimes the songs that you have heard somewhere, that's being repeated in your mind, and you can clearly observe this when observe it when you're actually meditating. And in today's meditation I could understand that when a thought pops up in your mind while you're meditating, and if that thought generates numerous thoughts, then that's an addiction to that thought that you have, that image that you have, or the conversation that you have, or the song that you heard, or anything that you have done in an action or in an emotion or whatever you have done. If that thing is creating a lot of other thoughts, then that's an addiction to that thought. If you can let go the thought, like in seconds, which means that it's like you're not that much addicted to that thought. So clearly in meditation process you can clearly understand what you're really addicted to and what you're not really addicted to. And there can be some thoughts which can generate numerous other thoughts, and what will happen is you can meditate for 1 hour. The only thing that will have happened is the thought generating different stories, and in that 1 hour you never have come to the present moment. You have never experienced your surroundings, you have never become aware or acknowledged your surroundings. You have just been sitting there, and this thought has generated numerous other thoughts. So I'm saying, sharing this information because you need to understand what's happening during the meditation process, and the addiction towards a thought can be easily analyzed or easily observed when you understand this thought is creating different stories while you're meditating. And everything is an addiction. Even a song, even a beautiful song is an addiction. Even a beautiful rose is an addiction. Like, this rose might create a lot of pictures, like where you went and you're seeing this beautiful rose, you're touching this beautiful rose, and you're seeing beautiful planet. And if it's making you deep dive into the scenario, or it's deep diving into numerous other thoughts, that's an addiction towards that place, towards that location, towards that scenario, towards that conversation, towards that song. It can be anything. That's why I talk about no mind a lot of times. And when you can come out of all this addiction, there can be a space. And when there's a space, when there is no thought generated, then it's a different experience that you have. You have emptied your mind. So watch what's happening during meditation process. How many thoughts are being generated by a single thought? How addicted are you to that song or that thought, that place, that location? Hopefully this video helps you. Have a blessed day.